In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily put a countdown timer on Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up story camera. Then just take a picture of some object, and that's where you should add a countdown timer just by hitting at this stickers icon. Just tap on it, then search for countdown in that way, and then just tap at that countdown sticker to add it over your story. Then you can name it. Then you can set date and time in that way. Just select any date. Also, you can turn off all day feature to set custom time for your countdown. Then just tap at done, and also you can right here tap at this colored icon to change the color of that countdown in that simple way. Then just hit at done, and after that you will be able to move it around to scale it in that way, and then you can continue editing your story. You can add there some text, some another stickers, some effects, and all that stuff as you usually use while creating your Instagram stories. Once you have done with that, just hit add to that arrow icon and then share this story with your followers. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.